St. James shopkeeper found dead in suspected suicide at a school. Stolen vehicle report leads cop to illegal gun and ammunition. Teens arrested after 34-year-old man is fatally stabbed in Portland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A St. James man was found dead inside a bathroom at a school on Sunday afternoon in a suspected case of suicide. The deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Andre Nicholson, a shopkeeper from Catherine on Montego Bay. The police say Nicholson was last seen on the school compound by a security guard at approximately 9:50 p.m. Saturday before the guard concluded duties. A firearm and several rounds of ammunition were seized by police officers along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew on Saturday, May 4. Reports from the Constant Spring Police indicates that about 8 p.m., a team responded to information about stolen vehicle being operated in the vicinity. The motor vehicle was seen and intercepted. The suspect and the vehicle were searched, and a .38 revolver and 6.38 rounds of ammunition were found between the front seats of the car. 3 persons were taken into custody, but their identities are being withheld pending further investigation by the police. The Portland police have charged 2 teenagers with the murder of 34-year-old Julian Minot, a farmer of Maho District, Bangor Ridge, in the parish on Friday, April 19. Charged are 18-year-old Ronaldo Miller, otherwise called Romy, a farmer of the same community, and a 14-year-old teenager. Reports from the Buff Bay Police are that about 6:30 p.m., the man and the teens were at a shop when an argument developed. The dispute escalated, and the youngsters allegedly used a knife to stab Minot several times. Minot was pronounced dead at the hospital. The teens were apprehended after they were implicated during the investigation. They are awaiting a court date to answer to the charges of murder.